Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best dash cam in 2026, you're in the right place. Whether it's for accident evidence, parking protection, night driving, or full 360-degree coverage, modern dash cams have become smarter and more powerful than ever. Today, I'll be sharing the top 5 best dash cams of 2026, covering 4K video quality, night vision, parking mode, GPS, Wi-Fi, and multi-channel recording. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. 360-degree view 4K 4-channel dashcam. Best budget 360-degree coverage. This dashcam offers true 360-degree coverage with 4 cameras recording the front, rear, inside, left, and right of your car. It supports 4K video recording, built-in GPS, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, parking mode, and comes with a free 128 GB memory card. This is an excellent option for drivers who want maximum coverage at an affordable price. The app connectivity is smooth, GPS tracking is accurate, and the G sensor automatically locks important footage during sudden impacts. Parking mode ensures your car is monitored even when parked. Pros: full 360-degree view with 4 cameras, sharp 4K video quality, built-in GPS and fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, free 128 GB memory card, great value for money. Cons: app UI could be better. Night performance is decent but not class-leading. If you want all-around coverage without spending too much, this dashcam is a solid choice for 2026. Number 2. VIOFO A229 Pro 4K HDR, best image quality and night vision. The VIOFO A229 Pro features dual STARVIS 2 sensors with 4K front and 2K rear. It includes HDR, voice control, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, built-in GPS, and 24-hour parking mode. VIOFO is known for image quality, and this model delivers exceptional clarity, especially at night. License plates are readable, HDR handles harsh sunlight well, and the voice control works reliably while driving. Pros: outstanding 4K HDR video quality, best-in-class night vision, reliable parking mode, strong build quality, excellent app support. Cons: higher price and only 2-channel, front and rear. If video quality and night performance are your top priorities, the VIOFO A229 Pro is one of the best dashcams money can buy in 2026. Number 3. 70mm 4K T800, best smart dashcam with ADAS and 4G. The 70mm T800 is a 3-channel dashcam recording front, rear, and inside in high resolution. It features STARVIS 2 sensors, Wi-Fi 6, 4G LTE support, ADAS safety features, and supports up to 512 GB storage. This dashcam stands out for its smart features. ADAS alerts help with lane departure and collision warnings, while 4G connectivity allows remote monitoring via the app. Video quality is sharp, and the system feels very modern. Pros: 4K plus dual camera recording, smart ADAS features, 4G LTE remote access, Wi-Fi 6 for fast transfers, premium design. Cons: 4G features require a data plan, higher learning curve. If you want a smart, connected dashcam with advanced safety features, the 70mm T800 is a top contender. Number 4. Vantrue N5S 4-channel, best premium 4-channel dashcam. The Vantrue N5S offers 4-channel recording with 2.7K front, rear, inside, and side coverage. It includes STARVIS 2 night vision, voice control, dual GPS, Wi-Fi, and supports up to 1 TB storage. This dashcam is built for professional-level recording. Footage is extremely detailed, parking mode is reliable, and the buffered recording ensures nothing is missed during incidents. Pros: 4-channel 360-degree coverage, excellent night vision, large storage support up to 1 TB, strong parking protection, premium build quality. Cons: installation takes time.
For users who want maximum coverage and premium features, the Vantrue N5S is one of the best all-round dashcams of 2026. Number 5. BOTSLAB 3K 4-channel dashcam, best value 4-channel option. The BOTSLAB dashcam delivers 560 degrees all sides coverage with 3K resolution, a 3.18-inch touchscreen, built-in GPS, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, voice control, and includes a free 128 GB card. This model balances performance and price very well. The touchscreen is responsive, installation is straightforward, and the footage is sharp enough for daily driving and parking protection. Pros: wide 560-degree coverage, easy-to-use touchscreen, built-in GPS and voice control, free memory card, affordable for a 4-channel cam. Cons: 3K instead of true 4K, and the app could be smoother. If you want multi-camera coverage at a reasonable price, the BOTSLAB is a great value option. So, that wraps up our list of the top 5 best dashcams of 2026. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below, so be sure to check them out for the latest prices and offers. If this video helped you, hit the like button, share it with fellow drivers, and subscribe to the channel for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.